Hey guys, welcome back. This is Sid again. In this video, I'll be showing you how my income streams worked in this month of May. So I'm wrapping up the May, the money I made, the profits and everything. So this is gonna be an interesting video which I'm gonna show you. And if you have any questions, just drop out comments below this video. I'll get back to you on this. Let's get into the dashboards and let's see like how much it really works. This is Digistore. I just started like last month. It's giving me good income, not bad. If I just scroll towards left, in the month of May, I made around like $3,000. And if I go to my YouTube, if you see the analytics are not that crazy, like a million views or like 100,000 views. Very minimal because I just started like aggressively pushing my YouTube channel. And you can see my subscribers like 1,200. I don't think anyone would have shared with you this much of knowledge. If you see here, my estimated revenue is like $1,000. Let me go to analytics. This is the interesting part. You see here, like in the last 28 days, 6,000 and watch time is 200 hours, 200 subscribers increased and $1,000. So let me go to month of May because I'm just concerned about May. I just made around like $650. That's interestingly great, right? One of the videos just went really up, but not super crazy. And if you see, all other videos are like pretty much every day I'm getting around like 200, 300. And if you see my estimated revenue, like each day I'm making around like 20, 30, 40, 50 dollars, right? So this is kind of the thing which I wanted to achieve in YouTube. Probably like most of you guys would have thought in a similar fashion how to make money on YouTube. But guys, trust me, if you're really serious in making money on YouTube, just comment out below this video. I'll just explain how I did that and how this can be achievable even by you. This is not rocket science. This is like a step-by-step process where you take YouTube from the 0 subscribers to like 1,000 subscribers, then 4,000 watch hours to get monetized. Once you get monetized, you need to get regular steady income because like the country I stay in India, like for every 1,000 views, probably I make around like 5 cents or something. So if you see here, this traffic is not from India, right? This traffic is majorly from other countries, first world countries. That's the reason why we are getting around like $30 to $40 every single day, even if your views are like 200, 300. This can be achievable even by if you are in college, if you are in a school, or if you are working full-time, or if you are work from home mom. Anyone can do. And this is an easy process. I can show you if you really show certain interest. Comment down below and say like, Sid, how can I do that? Okay, this kind of estimated revenue I just started like last month. Probably I will be wrapping up each and every month with how much revenue I made and how it's going. Moreover, like last month alone, I made around like Digistore plus this and one more income source, probably around like $5,500 to $6,000, which is kind of fair enough. And I had expenses around like $2,000. So leaving that apart, I have made around like $4,000 last month in the month of May, which is kind of like a very good full-time income for many of us, right? So do subscribe to this channel. Like this, I'll be sharing a lot of videos related to how to do it, how I'm doing it, and what's my progress and what's the pitfalls too. Just follow Digital Nomad. Give a thumbs up if you really like this video. Leave a comment if you need to know more. Okay, thank you guys.